Hello, my name is Andrew Mclaughlin, and today I'll be terminating my own Cat5 cable. I'm going with the T568B method because that's what the video suggested that was on how to create a Cat6 cable, and I actually looked at some of my own cables and they are T568B as well. And now I'll start off by stripping the wire on both ends. That's one end done, and now for the other one. And now I'll spread out all of these cables so I can put them in the pin. So, light orange all the way over. And then orange, and then light green, and then the blues are backwards, and I'm not really sure why, but instead of going light to dark, it goes dark to light. And I'm going to cut this out of the way because it's being a nuisance. Having lighting issues. And now I just cut straight across. Right. there. I don't know how even they're going to be. And I take the pin, and hopefully they all go in without complaining. Let's see. Yeah, they seem to all be in there properly. And now I will crimp it. And that is one side done. Onto the other side. So I can get this filler thing out of the way. Gone. Unwinding all the twisted pairs. And to set them in the right array again. Light orange all the way over here. That orange, then light green, then dark blue. Oh. Looks like be the way to go. And then light blue, and then green, and then light brown, and finally dark full brown. And then cutting all the way across again. I don't have shears, so they kind of slide, messes up the angle. Not good. And I take the second pin. Hopefully they cooperate as well as last time, which I doubt. Oh. No, the brown's messed up slightly. It's jumped the green. Sorry if I sound really bad, I'm very ill. Let's see if it's good or not. Now it looks like the orange jumped over. Fix one problem on one side and another one arises. Try again. Let's see, hopefully it's better this time. Light orange, orange, light green, blue, green, light brown, brown. Looks like it is good and ready to be crimped. And now I'm gonna test the cable, and sadly I have a desktop, so it's gonna go a little rough. So